If you run a cleaning or pressure washing business, you already know the hustle. Crews to manage, equipment that breaks, bleach ruining your sneakers, and then somebody tells you, oh, you should also be running ads, posting on social, and doing SEO, because your day has 48 hours. That's when the question hits. Should I hire a marketing agency? Now, at 5 Door Media, we work with cleaning companies across the country, so we hear this all the time. And the honest answer? Hiring an agency can be a game changer, but it's honestly not for everybody. Let's look at the pros and cons. Pro number 1, you've got experts in your corner. Now, a good agency lives and breathes marketing. They know how to get your business found online, why your competitor seems to be everywhere, and how to bring you real leads instead of just likes. That means that you can stop guessing and focus on running jobs. Con number 1, it costs money. Yes, there is a monthly invoice, and at first it might feel like a luxury, but think about it like your equipment. When you upgrade a vacuum or buy a new pressure washer, it pays you back in speed and reliability. Marketing, when done right, works the same way. Pro number 2, you get your time back. No more late night Googling, how do I rank on Google Maps? Or throwing random posts on Instagram. An agency builds the plans, they run the ads, they manage the site so that you can get back to cleaning and building your reputation. But con number 2, you give up some control. Letting someone else shape your marketing can feel really uncomfortable, but the right agency doesn't replace your voice. They amplify it. Think of it like assigning a crew lead. You're still in charge, but you're just not the one holding the hose. Pro number 3, growth with intention. This is the real upside. A strong agency builds a system that generates leads consistently. You're not just hoping the phone rings. You're scaling your business with purpose. So is it worth it? If you're brand new and running on referrals, maybe not yet. But if you're ready to stop duct taping your marketing together and start scaling a system with a plan, then yes, hiring an agency can be worth every penny. If you're a cleaning business ready to grow, that's exactly what we do at 5 Door Media. Reach out for a conversation and let's see if it's the next right step for you.